Yes, Sarsky, yeah, I'm cruising in the street right now, in that coupe, switching lanes, feeling insane. Ooh. Anyways, top of the top. So, starting off the vlog right now, going to get a car wash. Cause somebody booked a photo shoot with Conscious on Media today. So my car's a little filthy, it's dusty. My car's not gonna be in the shoot. It's the other dude's car. I believe it's a Lexus. I think it's an LC500. Don't quote me. I forgot the model name of the car. But yeah. So I decided, you know, let me leave like 2 hours early before we're supposed to meet up. That way I can go get a car wash. Well, I can go water down my car and scout the location of the photo shoot. Look at surrounding areas just to see if like maybe we can find more than one spot, you know. So it's pretty exciting. It's actually my first like legit photo shoot where I'm getting paid. So I wouldn't say I'm nervous. I'm just excited, and I'm confident in my work. So I'm not charging people arm and a leg for that, you know. I'm just getting started, so enough to get gas, and you know, enough to like, just enough to like, you know, get gas and for my time, you know. So it's just the beginning of a new thing. Something I really do want to do is get more into photography and then start tapping in more into videography, and you know, make a living out of it one day, create an empire. I have so many ideas in my head, I just want to make it happen. So planting my seeds, you feel me? It's all I could do. Just be patient. But it's been like, what, like 2 days since I've driven my car. So I missed it. Yeah, I had to let it rest, you know? And it's been like 2 weeks since I washed my car. I know, I've been lazy with this shit. I just been busy with work, man. Like, I be tired after work. I don't want to do nothing no more. So I got 11-hour shifts, so you know, I should take the toll on you after a while. Yeah, but we're gonna get it today though, so hopefully the content comes out fucking dope and the pictures are gonna come out great. And follow me at Conscious on Media if you want to see the pictures, and I'll put the homies Instagram handle too, so follow him. He just hit me up out of nowhere. He was like, hey, I don't know who he is, you know. He was like, hey, how much you charge? Told him. He's like, cool, let's do it. So exciting. Yes, sir. For sure. So I'm picking it up right here at the gas station. Filling up on E85, $2.89, man. That shit just keeps going up and up. It's still cheaper than 91. Don't get me wrong, but fuck. You know, I remember paying $1.99 for this shit. $24 for a full tank. But this station's weird. Like, you gotta park at a weird angle. Shit low-key sketchy, but let's see how much it fill up with. And the only thing that sucks about like having a PPG gear set, until you get like the whole everything fixed, like you don't even know how much gas you're really like pushing. Like, it says I have like 14 gallons, 14 miles a gallon and shit, like a fucking Hellcat. I know it sounds like a Hellcat with the gears. But yeah, like you can't really get a full accurate reading on that shit, you know what I mean? So it's kind of sucks about that. But yeah, my shit was at light was on. I kind of trust it. Like, I know it burns faster, but I kind of damn, shit. But how much is it gonna be? Damn, $26. Damn, 29, 30. Wow, $31, dude. $31. So, $31 with that gas fill up. Let me get the fuck out of this congested ass gas station. I picked this shit up at the car wash. Yo, so while we waiting right now, I just uploaded my new video. I'm reading a comment right here. Triple M 007. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, bro. I just read your comment. Appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that, man. Like, appreciate that, fam. Feel me? It's dope, man. Shout out to everybody supporting the channel. All that, man. Gladysante. Shout out to you. Always great energy. All y'all have great energy, and I appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that, man. It's dope. So, it'll be dope. So thanks for supporting the channel. It means a lot, man. It's dope. It just puts a smile on my face. Like, damn, like, I'm gonna keep going. You feel me? So, you know, it's a little busy right now. So I'm gonna try my best to pump out as many vlogs as I possibly can in 1 week. You know. So appreciate everything, man. Appreciate all the great energy and feedback. Let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to, you know, what type of content y'all want to see. I'm just doing, you know, I'm just recording what I'd be doing, you know. Like, to be honest with you, if the camera wasn't, I'd be doing the same thing. I'll just put the camera in front of me. So it's just me, you know. It's just what I do. If you find it interesting, then fuck it, support, you know. Let me know what y'all want to see. Alright, just comment below, you know. Let's get this channel up, man. Like, I have so many ideas, and it's dope, man. Like, yeah, let's do this shit. Hey, I'm in Fullerton right now. I ain't gonna lie. If anybody knows who Lotech Z33 is, bro, I fuck with his channel, bro. I used to fuck with him heavy. When I had a G35, like, he has a 350Z. Bro, like, I used to love watching his channel, dude. Like, ask my girl that shit. That's crazy. I'm, like, making YouTube videos. That's crazy. Like, he inspired me to low-key back in there to, like, make YouTube videos. You know what I mean? He was a cool dude. He is a cool dude. So hopefully one day we can make a collab with my SI and his 350Z and his Evo, you know, and his 300ZX. Like, let's check this girl's channel, so, you know, make some noise so we can make a collab with him. That'd be so dope, bro. And that'd be dope. Get a shooting. Yeah, we're gonna manifest that shit. So, yo, so everybody watching the channel, like, let's try to get this shit to like 500 subscribers, and then let's try to hit 1,000, so we can make collabs with these other YouTubers. That shit hard. Sheesh, that shit nice. Paved road. But yeah, though, like, that'd be dope, man. Then, like, you're gonna see Drewski with like fresh kicks. Shout out Mr. Organic, you feel me? Right there, I have it on non-sport mode. So with my setup, with the PPG gears and my Botan setup, that I will compare that to my sport mode on stage 1 parametrics, just on the 91. So equivalent to like TSP stage 1. So like, when you put it on sport mode, it feels a little, at least on my car with my tune, it feels more responsive. It feels like the spools up faster, and like it revs up faster. Like a torquier, like, yeah, you could definitely feel the difference. Steering wheel obviously is stiffer, so I can feel a difference. So yeah, just a comparison if you're curious, you know. Good, bro.
How you doing?
Pretty good, man. Andrew.
Mark.
Nice to meet you, man. That shit was sick, dude. Yeah, bro. So yeah, bro. I hear we have like so many spots to like shoot from. Like a lot, bro.
I don't know nothing, so
yeah, bro.
Bro.
Yeah, for sure. You're like the first person actually like did a whole photo shoot too. So yeah, we're learning as I'm going. But you feel me? I'm gonna make that shit look hard.
Do what you need to do.
For sure, bro. What I'm gonna do is move my car. I'm gonna move my car out the way, and then kind of like back it in, kind of like an angle. You know what I mean? Like just back it in with the front end facing this way, and then we'll start from here.
All right, cool.
For sure. More of an angle this way, like this. You good?
So you're just starting out?
Yeah, bro. Right. Yeah, man. Hell yeah.
I just got my car waxed fucking like a couple days ago.
Yeah.
They scratched up everything on my shit, but
yeah, it looks like nothing happened.
Yeah, they buffed it out. They wet sanded and buffed it out.
Yeah. Dude, this shit is sick though. I've never really seen one in person.
Thanks.
You can check these out.
Let's do it.
For sure. Thanks for the opportunity, man.
Yeah.
And then hopefully you like everything.
What's your last 4 digits?
What?
Your phone number.
9854.
Alright, so
Appreciate that, man.
alright, cool.
All right, bro.
Go
Stay
back.
safe, man. Well, hopefully we make some more magic happen.
Yes, sir. Drop 2-seater with the top hill. Need a girl a rock real queen to call the shots. Give me top, hit the block, get the swerving. Swivel on the dick, spin cycle clean this detergent. Put the work in. Whoa. Center stage, center of attention. Squeezing Minute Maid. Fresh juice on the table every day. Let me reciprocate. I bring it back. Flip a quarter back into a dinner plate. Chiquita head. Send her off to DR just to renovate. Fuck it all the way up, bitch. VC on some heavyweights. Not been still or slim fast. Could help her move in these 6-packs. Got fast track for the bridge, boy. Meet a mission at 6, boy. Back to Jack, London smack. Drop that ass at Rock Ridge, boy. So it's the fame that you're pursuing, huh? Curry 30 kinda shooters, huh? Looking pretty in your pics, 30-30, and I shoot it from the hip. Vicious family with the shits. Drop 2-seater with the top hill. Need a girl a rock real queen to call the shots. Give me top, hit the block, get the swerving. Swivel on the dick, spin cycle clean this detergent. Put the work in. Whoa.
Flexing, never stressing. Making bread is my profession. I'm well invested. Took a loss and that's a lesson. I'm well connected, well respected. In this life, you gon' learn your lessons. Stay on your grind, level up. All gas in the fast lane, make 3K on a bad day. No booth for the crab cakes, like a C-note to the valet. Burn sage on these bad days, keep the bad vibes over that way. Cover 2 for these past plays, praise Big Zeus, I'm back, baby. In a black Benz, calling it the prototype. You wanna grow, then stop making moves below your height. And it's a code, if you break it, then you know the price. I never fold, keep my word and go and do it right. Keep a semi-automatic, man, I gotta have it. I'm smoking gas with a bad bitch from Calabasas. I run it up, stack my cheese, then I count it backwards. I'm in the gut, she in love, but that's not a factor. Big Z, baby, that's me. Living stress-free, white tea, sipping lemonade, half iced tea, quarter P. Bust it down and ship it off to wifey.